Hello from our homestead in Montana.
Hey, how's it going? So we left here a month ago and we got all of our insulation and vapor barrier and kind of wrapped everything up. And then we had drywallers come in and they put drywall on the outside of the apartment and upstairs in the apartment. So they did the drywall, the texture, and they also painted it. We're not working on the homestead kitchen because we're trying to get to a point where we can move a bed and kind of pseudo move into the space upstairs.
Get out of the tent.
Get out of the tent. So we're focusing on that. And so we're gonna go ahead and take you along with our week here. We're here a little bit longer, but we're working remotely. But we're gonna spend a week working on the homestead. So we're gonna take you along with us and see how far we get.
We got a lot to do.
We do have a lot to do. So Rob and I, who's off camera, you want to pan to Rob? Hi. Rob and I started last night and we did all these uppers up here. And we were like, oh good, the uppers are out of the way. They're gonna be the hardest. And as it turns out, the lowers are pretty much the hardest. And so I made a mistake. I had an outlet that was right here, which we covered up. I'm telling you, you'll never see it on video, but we're good. It's back there. And then we had to run a new outlet and we left enough space for the oven, left enough space for the dishwasher. And now we're talking about how much space we have left for the refrigerator. So we have a 36-inch fridge. We got 3 3/4 inches left, so we think we're gonna be good. So Rob and I are gonna put the finishing touches on it and check this one off the list.
The next day.
I waited too long.
Let's go.
Ready? Let's go.
It's not as bad as I thought.
Keep it to our right, your left a little bit. You're clear. We want to flip around like we're
So it's been a busy 2 weeks out here at our Montana homestead. We had quite a few visitors, we had a lot of help. Rob and Hyan came and they worked for a solid week, doing a lot of work. We had our kids out here, of course, helping, doing all the stuff that they do for us to make our trip much smoother. And we had quite a few other visitors. We had the Hannigans out here. We had Eric and his family. It was great seeing everybody come out and support us here in Montana.
Yeah, and it was super productive. With having the extra help, we were able to get the kitchen in. So we got all the cabinets in, some of the appliances. Most of the electrical trim is done in the finish, so all the plugs and lights and everything are working. We got the floor in, and we also built a slate hearth for the wood burning stove. So it's starting to look like a place instead of just studs and a bunch of work we've been doing over the last, I don't know, 9 months. So
no, it's really starting to feel like home. Every time we come up here, it's kind of shocking to see the transformation and really fun because we put a lot of work into it. So.
Yeah, and we're not 100% sure, but I think by the next trip we might have a bed in here. I think that's the plan.
That'd be nice.
Maybe get a flushing toilet.
Ooh, that would be good. That would be good.
You know, we're looking forward to what the next trip looks like, and we're starting to plan it.
Well, we are going to get out of here. We wanted to thank you for your support, for watching our videos. If you like this type of video, be sure and share it with your friends and family. That helps us so much. And hit that thumbs up or subscribe, and then you'll see all of our videos as we launch them.
Yep. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Thanks. Goodbye.
Bye.